What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into something that's been catching fire in the keyboard community, the KZZI Z98 Creamy Keyboard. Y'all have heard creamy before, but not only is this actually a very creamy sounding keyboard, but this has a screen on it. Now, I have reviewed a ton of keyboards in the past, even some with screens on it, like this one over here. Oh, wait, this one right here, it's got a screen on it. But this one is different. You can actually put your own images or show your computer's FPS stats or whatever stats you want to show on the screen itself. It's absolutely wild. I'm going to show you that as well as some other secrets that this keyboard has in just a bit. So let's open this right up and see what's inside. So we're going to open this here, and we've got the very nice explanation here on how to use it, because all of the features on here, the time interface, the RGB lighting, all of that good stuff can be controlled directly from the keyboard itself using the knob and controls, so it makes it super easy. I'm definitely going to get some B-roll of this and show you guys some close-ups as well, so don't worry. So we're going to go ahead and take this plastic off here, very well protected, and we're going to take the keyboard out and take a look at it. So, you know, this has a very strong battery. Let me go ahead and open this up here. This has a 3,750 milliamp hour battery in it, but it doesn't feel overly heavy. That's kind of surprising. And this has this really nice, smooth, rounded look. Ooh, it even has some plastic peels here. Let's go ahead and get those off. Another one over here, and another one over here. Now, what you're going to notice is it's a very smooth style keyboard. Like, it has very smooth edges as well as inside. So it kind of goes with the whole creamy style look and feel to this. It has a nice blue and white theme in this one, but there are other versions as well. If we go ahead and type here, very reactive keys. They don't feel squishy or anything like that. They still feel very mechanical and smooth, but they don't sound annoying or loud. They're actually very, well, you can hear it. Yeah. So let's take a look at some of the features. This is a tri-mode keyboard, as I find another peel here. They're going to keep this nice and clean for us. In the back here, we can see that we do have the USB 2.4 gigahertz connector here. So if you don't have Bluetooth, you can just plug this into your computer and you're going to connect just fine. Or if you don't like Bluetooth, you can use this and connect directly. It does have a USB-A cable here, which you can use to obviously plug into the computer, or actually use it as a hub and plug a different device in. It has a USB-A and two USB-Cs. So this one goes to the computer. This one can be a USB thumb drive, for example, and this one can be any USB device as well. For example, if you want a daisy chain, you can actually put your mouse's 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth adapter right here, so that it actually gets a better connection because it's closer to your setup. It's kind of cool, right? Anyway, let's take a look at the device itself, because again, like I mentioned, this is a tri-mode device, so it's not just going to be wired on Bluetooth. It's 2.4 gigahertz as well, so you have three different methods of connecting this. We have already, the display is on, so we can see that it has 6/11/2025. It actually has the right date. No, it's the 10th, so one day off. And the time's a little off, so probably different time zone they created it. And then we can see all the settings here as well, and a very nice knob here. This is what I was talking about earlier, that I had some surprises. This is a tactile up and down knob, so when you push it up, you can let go and it falls back down. And then it has a select button here to switch between the different settings. So all of your settings and controls can be done right through here, including volume. I'm currently raising the volume. I can switch over, and using the button, we get a mute, but it can do a lot more than that. Let's go ahead and look at the manual here. So if I use function and 1, you'll see that it actually changes backlight colors. And if I use WASD, we can change the type. So it's not really easy to see from there. So I'm actually gonna get a close-up so you can see it. So I've just changed one of the modes, and now when I type, different colors show up on the keyboard. which is pretty cool. Now I'm going to get some close-up shots of this so you can actually see what it looks like. Really quick on the back here, you can see that we have dual stage, I guess tri-stage, because it's closed, it's one stage. You got a small little foot here and a larger foot, so you have 3 different levels of height. So for your comfort, whatever you'd like to choose, and you can go ahead and type from there. So yeah, very cool offering from KZZI, and it's really, really awesome that not only do you get the standard screen here with you know, all the battery information and whether you're connected to Bluetooth and things like that, but you can actually customize this and put your own pictures, your own GIFs, or even information about your PC using the app. It's super, super cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do more videos on these keyboards and compare them, because as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 11 keyboards. And I think it would be great to do a full-on comparison. We've got the desk now. Let's go ahead and jump into it and see what they're all like compared to each other, right? What's my favorite of all of them? Oh, I forgot to mention what else is in the box. So inside here, we do have a few other things. We've got a keycap puller, so you can pull your keycaps and your switches. These are hot swappable switches, and they support 3 or 5 pin. So whatever kind of keys you got, you can go ahead and put them in here and they're gonna work. Speaking of keys, they give you 4 replacement switches here. These do have a purple and black color to them. These are known as rainbow switches. I am not too familiar with rainbow switches. Yeah, rain switches, or they call them. So I'm not actually super familiar with it, but sounds really clean. I'm gonna get some more use out of it soon and let you guys know how I like it. We got this really nice, now this is the Blackberry Moose. That's what this keyboard's called. So they give you a really nice purple, really dark purple USB-C cable. And it even has like a faux leather wrap around it with a metal pin. That's a nice touch, honestly. And then we've got 4 spare keycaps here, and they're giving us the arrow keys, it looks like. So we've got arrow keys here, and we can use those to, oh, I see. If you want to replace them with lighter color arrow keys, they give you those as an option. Pretty cool. All right, so that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Peace.